Research is messy. Using graphic organizers can be a big help in keeping all of our information organized. I like the Lotus Diagram for brainstorming questions before I even start my research. This is called the Lotus Diagram because, like the lotus flower, it has a central topic, theme, or question. Then, ideas spiral outward from the center, like the petals on a lotus flower. Let's take a look at my nearly complete example. My central topic is texting while driving. From there, in the different colored boxes, brainstorm other questions, statements, or facts related to or about your topic. Then move each topic outward to the corresponding colors. Around each color, you will brainstorm additional questions, statements, or facts about that specific idea. It's okay to leave a few blanks because as you conduct your actual research, you will usually end up having even more questions. Let's take a look at one piece of the diagram. In the yellow rectangle, my initial question was, where was the first distracted driving accident? And then I brainstormed questions related to that question around the yellow box. Was there a fatality? Were new laws enacted because of this? What other types of distractions are there? Who was charged in the accident? If I look at my phone, how long does it take me to be in the car again? And what is that person doing now? And I have started a question and didn't finish it. Remember how I said research is messy? It took about 2 hours for me to brainstorm the questions on this page over the course of 2 days. It's okay to keep having more questions. That's when we learn the most. These questions will help you develop really strong, relevant search terms when you access the databases or the internet. This blank Lotus diagram and the completed example are available as printable copies in the Research Help folder beneath the video link. For any additional questions, just ask a librarian.